First open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type the following command, then press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Now type this command and press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Restart and your problem should be fixed. Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter. Select Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. First open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click on your Internet adapter. Press Disable. Click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your disabled Internet adapter. Select Enable. Now your problem should be fixed.